Got more snow. So, oh, that's a hole. This is why you don't speed. They're home maybe tonight because apparently 80 shut down. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. It's a crappy one out today. We got a lot of snow last night. I don't know how much snow, but we got a lot of snow last night. And we just delivered our load from yesterday. Went out to Ohio and delivered a load, picked up a load, brought it back here, just delivered that now. We got to go down to St. Joseph, Illinois, which is pretty much Champaign, pick up, and head on out to Nebraska. Boys, we're full of...
That's right, there ain't somebody else in there who loves you, but I don't know.
Full of fuel. Empty got a lot of things because I have literally nothing in this truck and I need to throw away trash before I leave. But we spent $490 to fill the truck up, so not bad at all. But I'm gonna get this stuff put away, get some of this trash thrown out of this truck, and we'll get back to it. Well, yeah, this is what we're working with. Roads are pretty wet, but they're not frozen. But you sure can't see too far, which I don't like whatsoever. Alright, y'all. We are stopping. Haven't got out of Illinois yet, but truck's running a little hot, and if I had to take a guess, it's because of the grill's covered. So we're gonna stop off here, check the grill out, see if it's covered up,
merge onto I-80 West,
see what we're working with, and see if that's my issue. So I believe it is. If I had to take a guess.
Use the left lane to make a U-turn at East Vester Drive, then turn right.
They did not do a good job
turn
over
right
here.
Onto South Oakwood
Okay,
Avenue.
I get it.
Turn right
I get
to
it.
merge onto I-80
You
West
don't have to
toward
keep
Moline.
telling me what to do. Jesus. If I had to take a wild guess, I'm guessing the grill's pretty covered. So, oh, that's a hole.
Turn right onto South Oakwood Avenue. Then
hole
turn
and a
right
half.
to merge onto I-80 West toward
Jesus.
Moline.
And the front end sliding. Alright. Of course. It is getting pretty rough out. That's for sure. Get up under this gas pump awning so I'm not directly in the snow. Alright, let's go see what we're working with. Guess I'll bring a towel with me. But if I had to take a guess, I believe the grill's covered. Yep, look at that. Told you. Heated headlights are working though, for the most part. She's covered. So here's why you always pay attention to your gauges, people. The truck will tell you if something's not right. It always does. Always pay attention to your gauges. There you go, you can breathe now. The only thing that sucks about this tiny hole grill, it looks cool, but even though that's gonna get right back covered, but it don't help to get most of this off. Don't hurt, I guess, more or less I should say. All right. At least I know the headlights are doing their thing. Never really got a chance to test them till now. But I guess we can hit the road now. Now that I fixed that problem. Well, it's getting real bad real quick. Roads are getting less and less dry and more snowy, so her down a little bit more and keep her cruising. Alright y'all, it's getting worse. Worse and worse as I get farther in. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Still about 5.5 hours out. I'm not really too worried about delivering on time tomorrow morning. So I'm trying to put together a plan now. As if I want to just keep slow creeping, or do I want to call it a day and start back up tomorrow morning, depending on the weather. Start up early in the morning tomorrow, depending on the weather, and hopefully most of this will be cleared out. But I got to check the weather first and see what it's looking like tomorrow, so I can put together a plan. But 36 miles an hour is where we're at. There's no point in speeding or being a hero, you know. Keep your distance. Keep it slow, so therefore if you run up on a traffic jam, you got more of a chance of stopping rather than wrecking. So I don't know. Once I get it figured out, I will let you guys know. And this is why you don't speed right here, because that's what'll happen. You'll jackknife your truck real quick. If you're in bad conditions, keep it slow, keep it under control. No rushing. Because that's exactly what happened. Well, y'all, we're stopped at the come and go. I'm inside the in a fuel aisle because I can't go anywhere, as you can see, because there's trucks right there, there's trucks over there. So this is where we might call home tonight, right in the fuel aisle, fuel island, which I'd rather be covered than not covered. So there's that. So this is where home may be tonight, because apparently 80 shut down. And it is what it is, and at least I got somewhere to go get some food. So instead of stopping random, well, I mean, I got stuff in the truck to eat, but you know, some actual food. So I guess this will be interesting. I guess I'll just chill out here for a while, see what kind of happens, kind of listen to the radio and see when 80's supposed to be open back up until these trucks start moving, and we'll go from there. Alright y'all, good morning. Finally back moving. It's like, what, 6 a.m., well, almost 7 a.m. They finally got the truck stop cleared enough people moving to where I could get out. A lot later than what I was hoping for. I was hoping to get moving last night at some point and creep on down to Nebraska, but that didn't happen. So we'll make it over in Nebraska at around 12 o'clock, which, if you ask me, ain't too bad. And to get this load off, get our other load on. All right, y'all, fast forward a little bit. We're unloaded finally. Truck's filthy. Very filthy. We only got to go down the street to get loaded. If you've been watching the channel lately, when I'm up here in Nebraska, you'll know exactly where I'm going. Actually, was my last video here, I believe? Oh, yeah, I think my last video was here. Yeah, I believe my last video was here. So, going down there to get loaded and then get some fuel and start heading towards home. And then after that, we'll probably stop somewhere and stay the night out again and deliver the load that I'm picking up early in the morning, and go pick up again, come back up to Iowa, turn around, go home, preload, run out Friday, come back, load again, deliver another load Friday. We got a lot of running to do, a lot, but ain't nothing I can't handle. So just gonna be a lot of less sleep and a lot of driving, but you know how to do it right, you can get anything done. But we're gonna go get loaded and go get some fuel and get up out of here. Check this thing out. Probably about 300, a little not over 300. Door on the side of the drive-in, air ride, looking good, looking good. Alright y'all, well, we're loaded. We're gonna head down the road and get some fuel. Apparently it was 15 spots and what, 19,000 pounds? That is not the case. We got 17 spots and it's probably more like 40 something thousand pounds. But it is what it is. I'm not too worried about it. Most of the scales are closed anyway, so. pretty quick over here as usual. They know me by heart now since I'm up here literally every week. I'll be up here again next week. I'll be leaving out Monday, which is my birthday. Monday is my birthday, the 15th. I'll be leaving out to come up here again and do another load. So be right back up here. I come up here literally every week now. It's like my usual run, and a lot of people don't like to do this, which is probably the reason why I'm getting a lot of it, just because of the fact a lot of people don't like to do it. I don't mind it. It's really an easy run. Yeah, it sucks going through the hills and stuff, but that's what sets you apart from everybody else, is doing the stuff that nobody else wants to do. So which, like I said, I don't mind it. I like it. It's a nice little run. Can't really beat it. But when it comes to the weather setting you back is kind of where it sucks, because like I said, now I'm gonna have to do a lot of running for the most part. Deliver this load tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. We got to pick up a load, go up to Iowa, deliver, turn around, go back, preload for Friday, leave out Friday morning to go to McLeansboro, Illinois. After we deliver that, we turn around, come back to normal, reload again, and then I deliver probably about like 5 miles away from my shop. And then that's my Friday. So it's a pretty good Friday, because I'm literally going to be 5 to 10 miles away from the shop, deliver and turn around and go straight to the shop. So it'll be a really easy Friday. If I don't make it home, I won't have enough time to put the EF in the truck. So I got to get that done too, unfortunately. Alright, y'all, finished filling up, got some pizza, and a little pick-me-up, keep me rolling whenever I need it. It's actually a new flavor I've never had before. Strawberry startup. Guess we give that a shot, but about 470 bucks in fuel, not bad at all. Pretty much a half a tank. So with that, I'm gonna put this fuel in the ELD. We're gonna get rolling. Well, a little update. We hit more snow, so that's what I'm dealing with now. I pulled over for a second because I needed to adjust my headlights a little bit more so I can see a little bit better, but got more snow. This is the state of the truck. Can't even see my business logo no more. This is the state of the road. But we gonna keep it pushing. Got my headlights adjusted more up. I think they need to go up a little bit more. I think I'm gonna pull them up just a tad bit more. And then we gonna hit the road. But I'm gonna keep concentrating on what I'm doing. So I won't do a lot of filming while I'm on the road. But the main goal is to make it home safe. That's the goal. But that's the state of the truck. The lights are still working. We're still visible. This fucking sucks that I get stuck in a snowstorm 2 times back to back. But I guess it is what it is. I'm gonna grab a Gatorade out of the fridge back there. Headlights are a lot better, and we're gonna get back to it. All right, y'all. Well, we made it past the storm. Finally. As you can see, all the shit all over the place. But now, since I'm over here at the rest area, I'm gonna adjust these headlights one more time and clean them off. Yeah. But it's like, I don't know. I couldn't even tell you what time it is right now. But I just know we still got another like 2.5 hours to get home. We'll touch home at around midnight. I'll go home, take a shower, probably get about 4 hours of sleep, and go get this load delivered at 7, hit the road, pick up. I need to clean those off too. And turn around and head my way back on up here. I need to clean those off. So I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned off, get all these lights cleaned off and everything else. But I think this is where I'm gonna end this one. It ain't gonna be too much more to go on after this. I'm exhausted, but I still got some drive left, so I'm gonna get it done. But like, comment, subscribe, share. Check out all the Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, all that good stuff. Check out the merch, link in the bio, Amazon links in the bio. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This one should be a pretty, should be a pretty action-packed video with all the snowstorm stuff. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe so we can climb to the top of the charts. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.